Keep your Tesla's interior clean and comfortable, and protect your investment with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of quality faux leather, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle's specifications for a perfectly snug fit. The innovative design allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls. And the bench seat allows access to the rear center console and cup holders. These custom covers are waterproof, long-lasting, and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding. Special stitching allows for airbag deployment. Plus, the center panel is perforated for proper ventilation, and the covers are compatible with heated or cooled seats. Ride in style and comfort with your Tesla's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom-fit faux leather seat covers.